Ever wondered how our brains shut down at night when we sleep? Here's what our minds undergo when we start dozing off. There are 4 stages of sleep. Non-REM sleep is the group that the first 3 stages belong to. REM or rapid eye movement sleep is the 4th stage. In stage 1, you've just started nodding asleep and moving on to stage 2, which entails even slower brain and body activity. This point in the sleep cycle is the easiest to get awakened. The 3rd stage of REM sleep is the deepest. Your body and muscles are even more relaxed at this point, and your brainwaves exhibit a distinct pattern of slowed activity that differs noticeably from that of waking consciousness. Deep sleep is thought to be crucial for physical restoration as well as for clear thinking and long-term memory. The sole stage of REM sleep is stage 4. The majority of the body experiences temporary paralysis during this moment, with the exception of the eyes and breathing muscles, as brain activity increases noticeably. Though dreams can occur at any stage of sleep, REM sleep is when they happen the most frequently. It is thought that the REM sleep state is crucial for the brain, facilitating important processes like memory and learning. It's typical to spend a higher proportion of the night in REM sleep, with the majority of it happening in the second half of the night. The term sleep architecture refers to a person's pattern of sleep phases and cycles. Although there are more significant variations in activity levels during deep sleep and REM sleep, researchers think that each stage contributes to a healthy sleep architecture that results in quality sleep. Understanding these stages may well make us all understand why we need those shut eyes, dark rooms, peace, and quiet nights, don't you think? Comment below if you want dim lights or total darkness when sleeping. Like and subscribe for more.